I'm going to show you really quick how you can use the Gamma app to create ebooks, slide presentations to help you with your business so that you don't have to think of everything that you need to say. Now, if you're creating a product on a subject that you know really, really well, my suggestion is have Gamma create the initial skeleton product for you, and then obviously add your expertise and your knowledge into that product. Please don't just rely on AI completely 100%, because then it's not really authentically your work. But if you don't know about Gamma, I'm going to teach you all about it right here, right now. So I do not have any kind of an affiliate link. You can start for free. I did upgrade because I use it so often. I paid about $180 a year, I believe. But it's just G as in golf, A, M as in Mike, M as in Mike, A as in Apple, .app. So that's the website. Just go to it, sign up, free account, and you can get started right away. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you really quick. There's tons of templates that you can actually start with if you want to use their templates. But I just like to create right from the beginning. So I'm going to click up here at the top and I'm going to click Create New. So once you're here, you have three choices. You can paste in some text. So if you have an outline or if you have any kind of existing content, you can just click here and paste it right in there and it'll work off of what you've already produced content. Or you can create one from a one-line prompt in a few seconds. I'm going to use this one for the purposes of this video, and I'm going to show you something using ChatGPT. I was helping out someone else and I asked ChatGPT to give me 5 lead magnet ideas that she can use to attract busy parents struggling with debt. So for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to use this one down here. Debt slaying meal plan, save money and eat well. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that, just the title. I'm going to go back to Gamma. Now right here, you can select either a presentation, you can do a web page, or you can do a document. So let's say I want to do a document, an ebook, all right? Then I can select the default. I'm going to select a letter, which is the same size as like an 8.5 by 11 ebook. I'm going to go ahead and paste in here what I copied. I'm going to click Generate Outline. So now Gamma is going to give me an outline for what that ebook is going to talk about. I can add cards if there's something missing here. If there's something I want to add here, I can totally add another card. I believe on the free plan, you have a max of 10 cards per project. It goes by the coins or tokens that you're able to use per month. And I don't know if they give you some every single month that you have an account. You can select the amount of text per card, which is brief, medium, or detailed. I always like to put detailed. You can use image AI sources, and then you can even describe your image style. So describe the color, style, and mood. Please use pinks and purples. That's my brand color. So I'm going to hit continue. And now you get to pick a theme. And over here on the right-hand side, it gives you all the different colors. So choose one that is closely related to your brand colors. There's lavender. Let's see, I've got some purple in here. So I'm going to go ahead and just select this one. But they have dark tones, they've got light tones, they've got professional, and they have colorful. So you can select them all and see all the different types of themes that they have that you can choose from. So I'm going to leave it here, and I'm just going to select Generate. And then this is where the magic happens, right here. And it's going to create your ebook for you. So they've got an introduction, tackle debt and nourish your body, budgeting for your meals, practical tips, meal planning, the key to success, grocery shopping on a budget, smart strategies, cooking at home. And again, these all go in line with the outline that it gave you earlier. So like I said, if there's anything additional that you wanted to add, you can certainly do that. But remember, you want to put your knowledge in here as well. Leftovers and food storage, reducing waste, conclusion, achieving financial and nutritional wellness. And that's pretty much it. So let's go back up to the top because it does. So what is this here? So this is, I guess, the cover photo. So there's no pictures here. I can go here right here with Edit with AI, and I can put add an image to this page, and I can have it actually generate an image. So each individual page, you can change it. Like if you don't like what it says, you can ask it to rewrite it for you. And then it's got, you see the different layout. So here's a suggestion. You can say poor or good. Okay. So if you don't like that, you can just ask it for another one. You can do a different layout over here. So on the right-hand side, you got the different layouts that you can choose, all different tools So I'm going to click Smart Layouts. I can do 2 columns, 3 columns, steps layout, all different kinds of layouts that you can actually change. Images, videos, let's see, images. So you can upload images. So there's so much that you can actually do here right inside of the Gamma app. So I don't see any other pictures here. So it actually didn't generate a whole lot of pictures, which is kind of strange because it usually does. And maybe because I put some actual words in there. So I'm going to click share up here at the top. I'm going to go ahead and export it. Now you can export it to a PDF, a PowerPoint, or even as a PNG, as each page a PNG. So I'm going to click export to PDF, and it's going to go ahead and export it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go into Canva. I'm going to click on my Canva. I'm going to go over here to upload. I'm going to click upload. I'm going to go ahead and choose my file, upload file. I'm going to select the book that I just created in Gamma. So that's going to put it here. I'm going to select it. I'm going to go ahead and edit it. And this is where you can edit everything inside of Canva. So you want to make sure that it's in the right size that you want. So this looks like an ebook size. So I'm going to go ahead and leave the sizing. But you can change all of the text. What I noticed when importing it over, it puts the title along with the paragraph of words. So I like to just take the title. I'm going to go ahead and cut that out. And I'm going to put the title in a separate block. So I click text, I click heading, I'm going to paste it, and I'm going to go ahead and change the text. Of course, or the font. You want the font to be your branding font. So I'm going to make this a little bigger. There we go. So you can change the colors. You can do everything normal editing inside of Canva like you would. So I'm going to change these to capital letters. And then, of course, I'm going to fix down here. So this, sometimes the paragraphs don't. And that's with anything that you actually import into Canva. You've got to always check the formatting of it because it doesn't always, it's not perfect. It's not 100% perfect. So you just want to make sure that you're checking all of that. Okay, so there you have it. Now, once you finish your ebook, you can change out all the pictures. You can add some pictures here. So I can go over here to apps. I can select up here, I'll type Pexels, and I can select Pexels. And let's see, budgeting for your meals. Okay, so meals. Let's see, meals on a budget. Let's see what we got for pictures. And then I can just take a picture and put it here. So you don't have to have all the pictures created by AI. You can use them here inside of Canva. All right, and then all you do when you're done, you can download it as a PDF. You have a freebie. You can create your resources for your courses. And going back to Gamma, if I was to go back to home, and if I wanted to create a new, and I'll generate again, and I'm going to leave it at presentation. I'm going to go ahead and paste in the budgeting for meals practical tips and click a generate outline. This is going to give me, if I go detailed, I'll hit continue. I'll leave this theme and we'll hit generate. So now I can generate slide presentations that I can present to my audience if I was creating a course, having a webinar, doing a free training, anything like that. Like if you have a free Facebook group and you want to do a training, but you're like, I don't even know what to put on the slides or how to format them. Gamma can help you with that as well. So there you go. So now I have my presentation that I can actually utilize. I can download this, put it inside of Canva in a presentation side as well. And there you go. So you see all the pictures that they have. Now, the one thing I am going to tell you, if you don't know this yet, but all of the images that come from AI that have any text on them, AI does not know how to spell yet. I don't know. They'll catch up. So I'm going to go ahead and edit this, and I'm going to say, can you edit this image and remove the words? Let's see if it gives us another image. Okay, so this one's a little better. This one's still thinking over here. And again, you see, AI does not know how to spell. So that's what I would do, is I would put something in there about don't put any words. See, like they can't even spell the cookbook. So there you have it. That is how you use Gamma. Go ahead and give it a try. It is brilliant, and it's going to save you so much time inside of your business. All right, I'll see you in the next one. If you want to continue learning and growing together, watch this video that's coming up next, and I will see you over there.